everyone, let's dive into a simple example to understand the difference between the delete and truncate command in SQL, as this question was asked in one of the American Express interview series for both experienced and beginner candidates. Before jumping into this, first go to the practical part. So for this we will first create an employee table. I am minimizing this because so we can see the full data as well. So first we create the employee table with some sample data, 4 employees from different, like 4 different departments. Now say we want to delete only employees from the IT department. We use delete with condition. Let's go and see how it happens. So let's run the query once again and let's show you, like this is our table. So how to use delete? It's easy, is a one liner command. So you will write delete from practice employee, which is the table name, this one. You can see it is getting selected everywhere, practice employee, where department in IT. That's it, nothing else. You have to write delete from the table name, where you have to give a condition like a filter condition. That's it, nothing. It's a easy one, like just you have to use the filter condition and you are done. So when do we use delete? Okay, first let's run and see what we get. See, delete one. Okay, now let's run the table once again and see the updated thing. See, earlier there was 4 data, right now there is 3 data. You can see the row number as well, the third number is deleted. So when do we use delete? You need to remove only some specific rows, that time you will use delete, and you will want the option to undo the change. Undo the change means roll back or need database triggers to activate. It generally slows for larger amount of data, as this data was having only 4 rows, so it was easy. And if I go for a brief or a note basis information for delete query, I would say you will use delete when you need to remove specific rows based on a condition. Like this, we have given condition, where condition. You need the ability to roll back the operation. You want to trigger to fire, means you have to just write this a single liner and then it will only work. And the table is relatively small or performance isn't a critical concern for specific operation, then only you will use delete. On the other hand, we have truncate. So what's the use of truncate and why do we use truncate? So before jumping into this, let's write the practical part, and it's a like the smallest line ever in SQL history, I would say. How it works? See the format: truncate, truncate, table, then table name. After running this, I won't be able to see this. Why? Let me show you. Let me run this and show you like what result do we get. See, truncate table, it's done. Okay, it's done. Output has been shown, process has been done. Now let's run the table and see what output do it have right now in the database. Nothing, nothing. All the rows were deleted. So what is the use of truncate and when should we use truncate? You should use truncate when you want to quickly remove all the data from the table. You don't need to undo the operation or roll back the operation, and want the auto increment counter to reset. It's much faster for clearing the entire table. And for notes basis, if I say when should you use truncate, so use truncate when you need to remove all the data from the table quickly on a quicker basis. You don't need the ability to roll back the operation. You want to reset the auto truncate counter, then you should use it. And If the table is large and performance is critical for clearing it, then you should use truncate. So today we are ending up with this question, and thank you for watching my video. You can write your doubts in the comment section, or you can like shoot a mail. Me or my team will look into it, and will give you the solution as soon as possible. So thank you for like watching my video, liking my video, subscribing to my channel, and clicking on the bell icon. Also sharing my video. I have seen there were around 432 shares till date. So thank you for that, and I would please request everyone to subscribe to my channel and also click the bell icon so that you get the notification whenever I post a video or a YouTube short. So thank you and have a nice day. Let's meet tomorrow with a new video and new SQL interview question. Thank you and happy coding.